chapter 8 statistics. Here we are going to see the median for ungrouped frequency distribution. Median for ungrouped frequency distribution. Example, if the frequency distribution is given, for example, let me take it as the weight and then student, number of students. The weight is given as 1 or 48 kgs, 12 student, 54 kgs, 7 student, and 60 kgs, that is 2 students. See, here students are the frequency, 48 kgs having 12 students. So this frequency is given means we will have the formula to find the ungrouped frequency distribution. If n is even or odd, n is odd, here n is the total frequency, here n is total frequency. Total frequency means summation f. N is nothing but summation f. If n is the counting of odd, if you add this 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 2 is 21. Here 21 is the odd number. 21 is the odd number. So n is odd means we have the median. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So the given data, so the median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth observation. So total 21. 21 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, that is 22 divided by 2 is equal to, if we divide 22 divided by 2 we get 11. So the 11th value of the observation is the median. Suppose here we have 3 students. I take the same tabular column. Now add this term 22. So the 22 is a even number. 22, the counting the frequency, the sum of the frequency is 22. Here 22 is a even number. In case n is even, if n is even, we have the median is equal to, that is n by tooth observation plus n divided by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. The average of n divided by 2th observation and n divided by 2 plus 1th observation is the median when it is a even number. Now we have to find out this means 21 is the even number, 22 is the even number, 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 22 divided by 2 is 11. See here also 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So the value of 11th data and then 12th data or observation divide by 2. So the 11th observation we don't know what is here. So we want to add the 11th and 12th observation. For example, here it is 11 is 9 and the 12th data is 21 divided by 2. Sum of this value is 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. So therefore the median is 15. Like this we want to find out. So if n is odd, we have the median n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is nothing but summation of f, that is total frequency, right? And n is odd, n is even means median is equal to n divided by 2 plus n divided by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is the average of middle two terms. Average of middle two term is the observation. And also we have one condition here. Whenever we are finding the median, we have to arrange the given data in either in ascending order or in a descending order. Then only we get a exact median, that is the middle position of the data.